Intel, manufacturing technicians and process engineers. World-changing technology, life-changing careers. We are producing technology for the devices you use every day and the technology you'll use tomorrow. As a global leader in the manufacture of semiconductors, the computer chips that power the world, Intel understands how to keep things moving. And the key to keeping it all running smoothly are manufacturing technicians and process engineers, problem solvers, the techies, the people who know how to spot a glitch, identify what's causing it, and then resolve it before it becomes a problem. You'll find people from all backgrounds and levels of experience at Intel. You could be one of our manufacturing technicians if you already have or are studying towards a level 6 or 7 qualification in an engineering or science discipline, or have some experience working as a technician. Or you could be one of our process engineers if you have or are studying towards a level 8, 9 or 10 qualification in an engineering or science discipline, or have some experience working as an engineer. We offer training and support, on-site conveniences, and a benefits package that empowers you to do all the wonderful things in life, whether that's starting or expanding a family, exploring the world, or saving for your future. Because it's not just what you do, but what we can do for you. Find out more at intel.ie/careers. Discover your place in our world-changing work.